Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to replace PDF pages in Bluebeam Revu 21. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, go to the File menu and open your PDF file. We have a 3-page PDF document here. We will see how we can replace the last 2 pages with one page from another PDF. To do this, go to the Document menu and click the Replace Pages option, or use its shortcut Ctrl + Shift + Y. Then open the PDF from where you want to import a new page as a replacement. There are 2 PDF documents in this dialog box. The first document is the one you want to replace the page in, and the second is the one from where you want to import the new page. Let's include pages 2 to 3 in the first document to be replaced. The second document is a single-page PDF. You cannot enter a higher range even if you try. Once you are done, click OK. Now you can see that the last 2 pages in our PDF are replaced with a single page from another PDF. Watch our other document management videos to learn how to add or delete pages from your PDF. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, your go-to partner for all things Bluebeam.